Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's the day that I'm gonna take my driving test for the second time. So yeah, I'm already ready. I did my makeup. It's just something simple. Brows, just mascara, lip gloss, and that's it. And I broke a nail at work on Monday. So yeah, I think I'm already gonna just take them off and like let them chillax for a little bit and get them done probably for next month, because next month is my birthday month, Cancer baby. So yeah, and I have a big ass bump, a little poof. And this is my outfit, just this cover up I think, and I have this like top, the floral top, some jeans, and my Adidas. So yeah, now I'm just waiting for my dad, and it's barely like 1 something. My driving test appointment is at 3:10. So I think I'm just going to finish cleaning the house, or like when my mom gets home. It's not that bad. And yeah, guys, guess what? I freaking passed. I am getting my driver's license. Finally. I know I'm like turning 25 years old and I'm barely getting my license. I know. Don't come at me. I know. There's people like staring at me, but I don't care. I'm freaking excited. I got my driving license. We're still in Temecula, so yeah, I'm just waiting for my dad. He went inside the store. Again, don't mind my freaking nails. So yeah, celebrating with a pink drink. I'm so excited. Now time to save money for my actual car. Because I know this is my parents' car, but this is the one that I'm gonna be driving. But yes, I'll see you guys at home, because I'm like really excited and like I just wanna cry. No, I'm kidding, but yeah. Now I have to wait for my ID in like 3 weeks, and now I'll have to like use my passport as a ID, because that's what I've been using, because my California ID expired on my birthday last year. So yeah. As you guys saw, your girl finally passed her driving test. I mean, at least it took me like 2 times, and not like a lot of times like my permit, because on my permit, let me tell you, so the first time I ever took my permit, I passed it. I only like missed 6, and I think I missed 5, and you're only supposed to miss 6. So yeah, I almost didn't pass, but the first time I passed. But at that time, I still didn't know how to drive, and my parents didn't really want to teach me, or they were like either that, or they were like really busy in order for me to like start learning. So my permit ended up expiring, and then I didn't even bother to retake it like until like last year. And that was it, back in 2013, 2014, around there. Yeah, I know, it's been a while. So, yes. And all the other times, I just kept failing and failing. Until last year, on my birthday, it was already the 3rd time, because you know how you're supposed to, like, you can take it like 3 times, like, for free. And if not, obviously the first time you have to pay. but then the other 2 times it's free, and then if you fail the third time you need to repay and like all of that. So this time I was already on the third chance. I'm like, please let me pass it, and it was on the day of my birthday, and I passed it. And again, with only like that one last, like if I would have missed another one, I would have failed for sure. So yeah, and I passed that permit. And then this last time on the driving test, the first time, was because obviously I didn't look over my shoulder. So that was like the main reason why I didn't pass. That one is an automatic fail. So yeah. But this time I passed. And that's all that matters. Took me the second time and I passed. I passed. Yes. I still have some pink drink. So yeah. I mean, it's better late than never, you know. So, yay for me, I passed. Now I could just go get my nails done whenever I want. No, I'm playing. But yeah, finally passed. Got my driver's license. Well, I have like a little paper first, and then I'll be getting my ID on the mail. So yeah. Yay. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog right here because it was pretty much just that, me hoping to pass my driving license. So yeah, now I'm celebrating with some pink drink. Just some pink drink. Let me know what Starbucks drink is your favorite, including iced coffee, because I really like iced coffee. The only warm coffee that I like from Starbucks is that caramel brulee, but that one's only on the holiday season. So yeah. Yeah. Got a pimple. I'm breaking out a lot, so yeah. So yeah, tell me what's your favorite Starbucks drink. Tell me how old were you when you got your driver's license, and if you passed it the first time. Yes, I know I'm turning 25 next month, and I already got it. But hey, like I said, better late than never, right? Just. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't already, hit that little bell down under next to the subscription button. And yeah, now I'm gonna go because my head is hurting and I need to eat something. Or it's probably because I'm really excited. I don't know, but I need to.